There's a twist in a 6-year court battle stemming from a divorce, and it is sparking outrage this morning. The Michigan judge is holding 3 kids in contempt of court after they refused to spend time with their father. The children, including 1 teenager, are now in a juvenile detention facility.
The judge stated, quote, "When you can follow the court's direct order and have a normal, healthy relationship with your father, I would review this." She added, "You are so mentally messed up right now, and it's not because of your father." CBS News legal expert Rikki Klieman is with us. Rikki, good morning.
Good morning.
What are we missing in this case? Because it seems like the judge is taking an awfully punitive role in this by sending these 3 kids to a juvenile detention facility.
Punitive may be too kind a word. This is really a draconian remedy. This gives new meaning to the phrases scared straight or tough love. You have a judge who has just had enough. And the reason that she went forward and threw these kids into a juvenile hall because they wouldn't talk to their father has to do with a guardian who was appointed for the kids who 7 months ago, he too threw up his hands and said, we warned the mom, and the mom is poisoning the kids against the dad, and said, if you don't get these kids to shape up here and talk to their father, then ultimately they're going to wind up in what they call the Children's Village, a juvenile detention facility.
Rikki, I think a lot of people would say getting the court involved in something like this only might make it worse.
Well, the problem is you've got a custody battle in a family court, and the court is the only authority that can try to bring this family together. We look at cases of what we call parental alienation, and what parental alienation really is about one parent in a divorce who ultimately gets hold of the child, and, or in this case, 3 children, and poisons the well against the other spouse. In this case, if you read the transcript of this hearing, the transcript offends me more than the ultimate ruling, if such a thing is possible, because she's saying to the kids, you're in a Manson-like cult. You ought to read about Charles Manson. I mean, that was a bit over the top for me.
Well, a judge saying, I ordered you to have a healthy relationship with your father. Can a judge order someone to have a healthy relationship with one of their parents?
Well, it would be interesting if they had such ultimate power in the universe. What happens here is that the kids do have the keys to the kingdom. They're in a juvenile facility, and if they will simply talk with their father when he visits them, he will report to the court and they can come back.
Why wouldn't the judge or the guardian recommend action against the mother? If the mother is poisoning them, why isn't this worked out between the 2 parents rather than take the punishment out on the children?
Well, I totally agree with you, because the mother is the person, at least by everything I've looked at. There are 6 volumes, by the way, in this case, of hearings and transcripts. This mother, according to the court, according to the guardian, according to the therapist, has been busy obstructing in this case for all these years. Yes, I would agree with you that if there should be a sanction, it should be against mom. She's a party to the divorce, which, by the way, the divorce has been final for some time. Kids are the victims.
Rikki Klieman, what a mess. Thank you very much.